Fate of a daycare owner accused of killing a baby boy. Christina Lyons faces capital murder charges in the death of a 10-week-old boy who died on Thanksgiving Day in 2010. KXAN's Chris Sadeghi was in the courtroom today and has more.
The jury's been deliberating about 4.5 hours now, and they have a lot to consider. They've heard nearly 2 weeks of evidence. They heard 3 hours of opening statements this morning, and now they have to weigh it all with the brutal killing of a 10-week-old baby. Young Benjamin Spencer's parents were wiping away tears as prosecutor Kathy Compton made her final statement. They dropped their 10-week-old off at Christina Lyons' home daycare in November of 2010. During his stay there, he somehow suffered a massive skull fracture, an injury he later died from. Now, during the trial, doctors testified it looked like his head had slammed against a solid surface, and only an adult would have had the strength to cause that kind of damage. They say it does not look like the injuries were caused by a fall of any kind. Lyons was the only adult home at the time, but lawyers and her family members are trying to convince the jury that it was Lyons' 4-year-old daughter who caused Spencer's death when she was playing too rough with him while Lyons stepped out to smoke a cigarette. And even though this is a capital murder case, prosecutors are not seeking the death penalty. But if convicted, Lyons could face up to 99 years in prison. In Hays County, Chris Sadeghi, KXAN News.